How to fix Instagram next story freezing problem. Here's how. First, open the settings app on your phone. Here, scroll down and select the app option. From here, select the manage app option and use the search bar to find Instagram. When you locate it, tap on Instagram to open the app info page. At this stage, select clear data at the bottom. Then choose clear cache and confirm your action when prompted. This deletes temporary files that might be causing glitch. Next, open the Play Store app and type Instagram in the search bar. Now if you see an update button, click on it to install the latest version. Otherwise, if it shows open, your app is already updated. Finally, launch the Instagram app and check whether stories are loading properly again. And that's all. I hope this video helped.